I'm Dan Schneider, Elk Grove Village Fire Department. Been here for 30 years.
I'm James Baruffi. I do press brake applications for MC Machinery Systems.
Hi, I'm Max Squires. I'm an applications engineer here at MC Machinery.
Hi, I'm Patrick Delano, firefighter paramedic with the Elk Grove Village Fire Department.
I'm David Hoppy with the Elk Grove Village Fire Department, Battalion Chief in charge of training.
From MC Machinery, we did some man versus machine where people get caught in a machine, how to disassemble it. We learned a little bit about your processes here. It was a great experience working with Mitsubishi.
Was there anything in particular that stood out? Was like a aha moment for you?
Well, just how big the machinery is and how heavy and how electronic it turned out to be. And the great help that we had from your staff was outstanding.
So what I learned is that when they respond to a call, they're going to show up with at least 5 guys, and a lot of them are going to be trained in paramedics. So what I would suggest is if a serious injury happens, is to step aside, let them do their job. These are the experts, and they're going to take care of you.
Well, these calls that we would be coming on are going to be, high stress, true emergencies. So it's nice to come here and see how that would play out in a very low stress environment, so we can brainstorm how we would overcome the obstacles, because these machines are very unique and each one is a little bit different. So it was cool to kind of see how they operate and, like I said, different ways to overcome each unique situation in order to get the patient out safely without damaging us or the machine or the patient any further.
In the fire department visit, I learned that these firemen are very dedicated to their craft and they're heroes. They're coming in on their off time to learn about the machines and get adequate training in order to save people that get injured.
So first and foremost, having a facility give us the opportunity to come in here and do what we did, creating live scenario evolutions of a traumatic injury. We couldn't be more happy to get that opportunity. Many facilities would not let us do this just because knowing that we're going to override the safety systems that you so graciously put into place for the safety of those that buy your machines. Coming to a facility like this that is clean, safe, and well-educated people that helped instruct our members is valuable, not just to the community we serve, but also those businesses that are within Elk Grove Village.